down. Peace.
Our front yard is flooded, guys. What the heck? I'll show you the backyard right now. Look. Our backyard is even flooded. Hurricane Harvey, what the heck? Oh! It's because of the hurricane. Next, oh my gosh, our pool's about to be flooded. Look at dang. This is flooded house now. It might reach up all over to our house. Look up here now. Look in the front, Houston. Look at that. Our ditch is full. Do you see that, guys? What the heck? We are flooded. Oh, my grandma's not flooded. But we are? What the heck? Hey guys, what the heck? I'm playing Minecraft and I literally saw this. And our front yard and our backyard's flooded. Oh no, it went more up. What the heck? Whoa. I can't believe this. Look around here. Grandma's not flooded, but we are. Really? Look at that. That's about like 1 foot. Shush. That's about 1 foot of water here. 1 foot and 2 feet at the front. Look, I'll show you the front. This is about 2 feet of water right here. Right up on my porch. It's almost to the porch, yo. Bro! And it's almost. Look at my dad's van. See that wheel? Look how close that. Look how high it is from that wheel. Yeah. Oh shoot! Look at my dad. Look at my dad's truck over there. I still can't believe that. Our sink is back here. Look over here. Look over there. Come on, let's get back in. Can't believe it. Our money. What the heck, guys? I'm like, what the heck happened there? Hurricane Harvey, bro. Hurricane Harvey. That's what happened. Look, I'll show you over here now. This gained up water more. This is about like 3 feet now. Look at that, bros. What the heck, bro? Our ditch up there is flooded. Our ditch over there, the very steep one over there, that's concrete. Way over there is flooded. What the heck? Look at that. Alright, guys, I'll see you later. Peace. Yeah. Water coming in.
Okay,
over here.
It's
Shush.
flooding.
Shh.
It's over.
It's over here.
I can't believe that. Movie, Jacob.
Check here. Check in our garage. Look at our garage. Here. Check in our garage. Look at our garage. Flooding, bros. Look over here. All water. See that? All water right there. Oh shoot! See, look. Hey guys. All flooded over here.
Walking around with your shoe with no shoes on aren't you? Excuse me. Don't drop.
Over here. It's almost flooded too.